Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome back today. We're diving into an exciting topic that's all about enhancing your manifestation abilities through the activation of the pineal gland. I'm thrilled to introduce you to Pineal XT. First, let's understand the magic behind the pineal gland. This small, mysterious gland in your brain, often referred to as the third eye, is believed to be the gateway to higher consciousness and spiritual awakening. It plays a crucial role in manifestation by connecting you to your inner desires and intentions. However, our modern lifestyles, stress, and various factors can sometimes leave our pineal gland calcified and dormant, hindering our ability to manifest our dreams effectively. That's where Pineal XT comes into play. Let's talk about the incredible benefits Pineal XT offers for manifestation. Amplified intentions. Activate your pineal gland to increase your focus on your goals and desires. Enhanced visualization. Experience clearer, more vivid visualizations that are crucial for effective manifestation. Aligning with the universe. Pineal XT may help you align with the energy of the universe, making your manifestations more powerful. Accelerated manifestation. Users have reported faster results in achieving their dreams and desires. Pineal XT isn't just about pineal gland activation, it's your secret weapon for successful manifestation. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey today. Remember, your potential is limitless, and with Pineal XT, you can make your dreams a reality. Until next time, stay positive, stay manifesting, and may your dreams come true. If you want to know more about Pineal XT, check the link in description.